Are you feeling more tired than usual, always thirsty, or noticing frequent trips to the bathroom? These could be signs of prediabetes, a condition that affects millions but often goes unnoticed. But here's the good news. With the right diet, you can prevent prediabetes from turning into full-blown diabetes. Yes, you have the power to take control with just a few food choices. Let's dive into the foods you should include in your prediabetes diet to keep your blood sugar in check. First, leafy greens, spinach, kale, and more. Leafy greens are low in carbs and high in fiber, making them perfect for managing blood sugar levels. Spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with vitamins and minerals like magnesium, which helps regulate blood glucose levels. Plus, they're filling, so you can enjoy larger portions without worrying about spiking your sugar. Second, whole grains, oats, quinoa, and brown rice. Forget refined carbs, whole grains are your new best friend. Foods like oatmeal, quinoa, and brown rice have a lower glycemic index, meaning they don't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. Their fiber content slows digestion, ensuring a steady release of energy throughout the day, helping to prevent insulin resistance. Third, berries, the sweetness you can enjoy. Think you need to give up on sweets? Not entirely. Berries, like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants and have a low glycemic load. They're a great way to satisfy your sweet tooth without affecting your blood sugar. Plus, they're full of fiber and vitamins, so they help reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. Fourth, fatty fish, salmon, sardines, and mackerel. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are fantastic for reducing inflammation and improving insulin sensitivity. Omega-3s also promote heart health, which is important since prediabetes increases the risk of cardiovascular disease. Aim for 2 servings a week to get the full benefit. Fifth, nuts and seeds, almonds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Nuts and seeds are excellent sources of healthy fats, fiber, and protein. They help you feel full longer and slow down sugar absorption. Walnuts, chia seeds, and almonds, in particular, have been shown to improve blood sugar control and reduce inflammation. Sprinkle them over salads or have them as a snack. Just make sure to keep portion sizes in check. Next, legumes, lentils, chickpeas, and black beans. Legumes are a fantastic source of fiber and protein without causing sharp increases in blood sugar levels. They have a low glycemic index, making them perfect for stabilizing your glucose. Add lentils, chickpeas, or black beans to your soups, salads, or stews for a blood sugar-friendly boost. Seventh, healthy fats, avocados, olive oil, and ghee. Fat doesn't spike your blood sugar. In fact, healthy fats like those found in avocados, olive oil, and ghee can improve insulin sensitivity and keep you full for longer. Incorporating these fats into your diet helps prevent cravings and keeps your blood sugar stable. Use olive oil for cooking, spread avocado on toast, or drizzle some ghee over your meals. Next, non-starchy vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, and zucchini. Fill up your plate with non-starchy vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, and bell peppers are nutrient-dense and very low in carbs. These veggies provide fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, all while keeping your blood sugar in check. Plus, they're super versatile. You can roast them, stir-fry them, or toss them in a salad. Ninth, Greek yogurt, a protein-packed snack. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein and probiotics. It's lower in carbs compared to regular yogurt, making it a great option for managing blood sugar. Plus, the probiotics help improve gut health, which is linked to better blood sugar control. Opt for unsweetened versions and add your own berries or nuts for a nutrient-packed snack. Next, cinnamon. Spice up your life. Here's a fun one. Cinnamon. Studies have shown that cinnamon can lower blood sugar by improving insulin sensitivity. It's easy to add to your diet. Sprinkle it over your oatmeal, yogurt, or even your morning coffee. By making these simple swaps and adding these foods to your diet, you can significantly reduce your risk of progressing from prediabetes to type 2 diabetes. Remember, managing prediabetes is all about making sustainable, healthy choices that keep your blood sugar stable. Your health is in your hands, and with the right diet, you can stay in control. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start today by filling your plate with these delicious, nutritious options.